In this video, I'll be showing you how to mute or unmute YouTube videos. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using YouTube on. However, on phones, you don't actually have the mute option. You'll just use your volume up and down button. So all you would want to go ahead and do is open up your YouTube on whatever browser you want. So let's just say I want to go this one. Now, there's a few different ways you can do it. So what I can also do is right-click my tab on the top left, and I can click Mute Site, and that mutes the entire YouTube site, and it's not even video specific. But what I could also go ahead and do is, let's say I wanted to go ahead and open up a video. So let's just say I open up this one. Right now, it's playing, and the audio is loud and everything. So what I could go ahead and do is I see this little slider, so I can move it left and right. So I can mute it completely just by going like that, and now it's muted. However, as you can see, it also shows a shortcut option. So it says M. So what I can do is I can press M. And as you can see, whenever I press M, it mutes and unmutes it. And yeah, it's as simple as that.